stand up for what is right. Tell me you can't see this one. Tell me you don't know from experience the type of hell your daughter would be pulled into by your mother's obsessive behavior.
That is an outrageous lie.
Is it?
Tell him.
You've got a choice here, Bob.